Want to know what the latest trends of 2026 will be? Follow me as I walk through the showroom and explain a little bit about how certain trends come and go, and certain styles are definitely going to last longer into the brand new year. So a lot of the times people want to know when they come in what the best and new trend is. Unfortunately, that's changing a lot. But there are a couple things that, because the industry is making and because certain styles are coming back into trend and staying in trend, that we want to follow into the new year. So mainly, I would say that a lot of the times what you see is the larger format tiles like you see here. So 24 by 48, including the larger format of the wood look tiles, just larger tile in general, is becoming much more popular in the bathroom. So we tend to see a lot of these larger formats with less grout lines go into your spaces, so that way it's easy to maintain, easy to clean, overall something that you can last with for, your next 20, 30 years before you decide to rip it all out again. The other thing that we're seeing much more of is the larger wood plank tiles. So as you see here, we have so many colors and variations available. We've widened our selection because it is so popular that people are now doing, instead of the real wood, because of the fact that there's zero maintenance, they can put in-floor heating, radiant heating within their entire house. We are seeing much, much, much more of these wood looks continue to be done in their basement spaces or main living room areas. And then we also have the beautiful ribbed looking tile that you see here. We love this look. It looks like it's a fabric or a texture or like wallpaper. It's a beautiful print. It's lasting really, really long. There's more of those larger formats for you guys. Is colors. Colors are great. Some blues, some greens. You're going to see that upcoming within the new year for sure. As you see here, the other thing that we love is a classic checkerboard. Checkerboard is done so often. We're continuing to see this for your foyers, your kitchens, your mudrooms, your pantry areas, a little bit of everywhere. There's so many colors that we can do this in. We do this in whites and grays. We do this in traditional whites and blacks. We even have whites and beiges. So a lot of these color schemes we're going to see repeating and redoing, because that vintage style, that old classic vintage look of the Victorian homes, the old school colonials, most of that we're starting to see replicated all again very, very often. Don't see that trend going anywhere. That's very big again in 2020. Beige. So as you see here, we have the beautiful textured subway tile that a lot of the times is the most popular. And look at all that beautiful gleam, that shine that you get there. That is going to continue on. They're making so many new versions of it. The factories just keep replicating this over and over and over again. So this is something that is continuing forward into 2026. And we just can't wait to show you guys everything that's new that the factories create and bring to us. So that's pretty much a little bit about what we think is upcoming into 2026. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know what things you want to bring into 2026 as well.